guys, welcome to my channel. So first is disclaimer that I'm not claiming I'm Deepika Padukone or I look like her. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just an inspired makeup tutorial. So this is the look that I will be creating today. So hi there, and first of all, do prime your skin and do moisturize it well, and then we will, as you see, Deepika has like this flawless skin, so I'm going to use this shimmer palette first to like literally apply it below my foundation to give that glow that she has. If you see her picture, she has a skin which is glowing and the eyebrows which are the main star of the show, so we're going to try to achieve that. So you can use any highlighter, and then I'm going to use this 9 to 5 weightless mousse foundation from Lakme. This one is a little if and in the back of the eye you have darker shades, and in the center you have the lightest shade. So I'm taking the darker shade and trying to create a shadow at the outer corner, and then I'm trying to create another effect in the inner corner, and then I'm blending it all, connecting it. made the simple bun, as she also doesn't have anything much going on with her hair. So this is the, let's see the comparison here. So this is the look I tried to achieve with this Banarsi sari that I'm wearing, and I'm gonna do a review of this one too soon. If you did like my video, do subscribe to my channel, do like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.